Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Sarkari School Foundation. Today we at Sarkari School Foundation are celebrating World Environment Day. हर साल वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे 5 जून को मनाया जाता है। ये इनिशिएटिव यूनाइटेड नेशंस एनवायरनमेंट प्रोग्राम की तरफ से लिया गया है। 1974 से हर साल हम वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे मनाते हैं। ये एक बहुत ही ज़रूरी इनिशिएटिव है ताकि हम अपने एनवायरनमेंट को संभाल के रखें, प्रिजर्व करके रखें, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट की तरफ बढ़े एंड अवेयरनेस बढ़ाए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे की और अपने एनवायरनमेंट को सुरक्षित रखने की।
वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे इज अ ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर पब्लिक आउटरीच। इसमें बहुत सारे लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन देते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू द एस्टिमेट्स इसमें नियरली 143 कंट्रीज हैं जो हर साल पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं। इस प्रोग्राम में नए रूल्स होते हैं, नए फोरम्स होते हैं, नए थीम्स होते हैं फॉर गवर्नमेंट, for communities, for business, for non-profit organization and for celebrities, ताकि वो इन सब forums और इन सब themes पे work कर सकें, इन सारे environmental causes के solution find कर सकें. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. With this quote in our heart, let's move forward to the video.
An environmental hazard is a substance which has a potential to threaten the surrounding natural environment or adversely affect people's health, including pollution and natural disasters such as storms and earthquakes. It can have a single or combination of toxic chemical biological agents in the environment resulting from natural processes and human activities, which may have an impact on the exposed subjects, including pollutants such as heavy metals, toxic waste, and pesticides.
Have you ever thought what is the result if this environment hazard continues? You have already seen there is a decline in human life quality. We are not even getting pure water and oxygen to breathe. I'm talking about deforestation. Deforestation is bringing climatic imbalance, and you can see that when there is a climate imbalance, how it affects human health. And talking about soil erosion, wildlife extinction, floods, tsunamis, and so much problem just because of this environment hazard.
Environmental hazards have a huge impact on our planet. Global warming, for example, is expected to have a far-reaching and in many cases devastating consequences for Earth. Increase in the Earth's average temperature, melting of the glaciers at a faster rate causing the sea levels to rise, migration of animals due to climate change are just few of the very detrimental effects of global warming.
The environment affects our health in a variety of ways. The harmful chemicals present in the soil, water, air and food may cause cancer and mutation, and it may also affect our immune and nervous system. There is a greater health threat to children than the adults, and also the toxic substances like teratogens may cause mutations and birth defects in fetuses and embryos. The climate change is also posing a greater risk to human population health, and it also emerging as a serious concern worldwide.
Sustainable development is an approach to economic planning that attempts to foster economic growth while preserving the quality of environment for the future generations. Despite its popularity in the last 2 decades of 20th century, the concept of sustainable development proved difficult to apply in many cases, primarily because the result of long-term sustainability analysis depend on the particular resources focused upon. It's about improving the life of everyone, everywhere, and achieving all these things together.
Many of the challenges facing humankind such as climate change, water scarcity, inequality, and hunger can only be resolved at a global level and by promoting sustainable developments. Here are some goals that are adopted by United Nations on 2015 that included 17 sustainable development goals to be met over the next 15 years. This includes poverty, climate action, industry, innovation and infrastructure, and reduce inequality, and 13 more.
Think about how many people you see each day drinking from disposable cups or bottles or carrying disposable bags. All this plastic leaves a devastating effect on our soils, oceans, and marine lives. So, switch to reusable items and make a commitment by helping and protecting the environment in a major way.
Plant a tree and save the environment. Water plants to save the life.
Have you ever thought how much electricity and water we are wasting every day? It hardly takes 2 seconds to switch off the tap. Switch off the lights, open the curtains, and get the perfect sunlight.
We, the anchoring team of Sarkari School,
Pledge to refrain from any activity
that will harm the Mother Earth.
The environment is my responsibility.
And I promise to indulge in all the possible activities to save the environment.
I will also use all the opportunities available to me
to encourage my family and friends to do the same.
Our environment is a heritage
and the legacy we have all inherited.
Let us together build a happy
and healthy world for the next generation.